Roscoe, come on. Roscoe. Come on. Okay, dude, are you ready? We're about to go into the blizzard. Literally. Oh boy. It's like hard to tell on the camera, but it's really windy outside. I don't think we're ready. The basses haven't come down yet either. Let's even go get them. Roscoe! Roscoe, come on! Come on! Come on, let's get up! Come on, no, don't lie down. No, don't do that. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, let's go! Come on! Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Heck yeah! Okay, come on. You can do it. Come on. Lazy bastards. That's right. Wait. Free. Go. That's it, Roscoe. Oh, God. Okay. And he's gone. Wow, look at all this snow! This is like the first proper snowstorm of the year. The weather's supposed to be kind of crazy today. But on this note, what better way to start Christmas Eve than in a snowstorm? And welcome to day 11.
Holly hanging across the door. It's so close, hardly can wait. Waking up on Christmas.
Okay, wow, it is freezing outside actually. But this is so much fun. Look how magical, despite the blowing snowstorm. But look how magical it is out here. All snow-covered trees and plants and bushes. Oh, I feel so Christmassy right now. It's amazing. This is amazing. Yeah, me too, Ollie. We had in plans today to go see the new Avatar movie, but I don't know if that will happen depending on how bad the roads are and the weather, because it's just starting. It's supposed to get a lot worse as the day proceeds, but we're gonna enjoy the snow while it's here because this is glorious. It's so much fun. Woo-hoo! It's the best snow! The big snow of the year! Heck yeah! It's so windy! It's so windy! We're also very cold. Okay guys, we should go inside and get breakfast ready. He's just losing his marbles. Oh my god! Whoa, Bo! Jesus Christ, it's so windy! I know it's kind of cold. Let's go inside. You know what I'm realizing? I don't think Charlie Brown has ever properly seen snow. Come on, House. Wallace, leave up. I know, you're just so excited. Wallace! House. House, please, thank you. House. Yeah. Oh, Bo, are you cold? Yeah, I know. Okay, get inside, get inside, get inside. Shake it off. Oh my goodness. Okay, I am going to run back outside really fast to pick up the dog's poop so it doesn't get buried in snow. And then we'll come back and get breakfast. Okay, back inside. Look at that wind. It's insane out there. Breakfast is being eaten by puppies all around. There we go. Happy Doges. I got all the like windshield wipers up on the cars just in case they freeze. Turning tree on. Christmas Eve today. And Festivus, happy Festivus, y'all. Gonna eat breakfast, we're gonna sit down, we're gonna edit, and then maybe bake some cookies or see Avatar. One of the two things will happen, or both will happen, I don't know. We'll see it for one of those two things. Okay, I am actually going to bake cookies right now. The snow is still coming. It's coming down hard and very windy. We are still officially seeing Avatar later today. That has been decided. Hopefully the roads aren't terrible. But I am just gonna plop you down on top of something and just bake cookies. Not doing anything fancy. That takes too much time and I don't got time to do that. We are making sugar cookies, which I saw in a YouTube video, and they looked fantastic. So we're gonna try to make these. Oh, I can't bake these right now. I have to bake them later. They have to chill. That actually might work out perfectly, because I can make the dough now, chill it, and then come back to it after the movie. This might work out. Okay, that's gonna work out actually. So we're just gonna make the dough now, and then we're gonna take a break, see the movie, come back to this. This works out better than I thought. Okay. This is good. This is good. We are good. Okay, so what do we do first? It's really funny. You're sitting on a blender right now. That's the tripod. It's fine! Okay, I'm gonna take my cookie dough disc, throw it in the fridge. There we go. Huzzah. Cookie dough in fridge. We'll check back in on that in like 5 hours.
Alright, let's go into the blizzard. Yay. Go, go, go. Go, Bo. Come on. Drift. Do it. Yeah. Let's go. Come here.
Ronan is outside braving the storm with Wallace, the polar bear dog, who has a stick. Oh, here they come.
Where is it?
The whisk? Alright, here they come.
You have a towel?
Towel's right there.
Can you grab it?
Hi. Hi. Wallace, did you have fun outside? Yeah, you're so snowy still. I gotta get changed, ready to go soon. Okay, guys. We are getting ready now to head out to the movie theater in this blizzardy storm. We're all literally going in sweatpants, pure movie fashion, but Avatar is like 3-something hours long, so comfort is key here. Okay, got my thick scarf on, glasses, 1 pair of my glasses acquired. Okay, see you later, guys. Whew.
Oh shoot, it's cold.
Jesus Christ. You gotta wear a jacket? Okay. Alright, off we go.
Are we smart? Probably not, but...
Whatever! We're going for the cinema. Okay, off into the blizzard to go see Avatar.
We have snow tires, so we're good.
Sitting on...
Okay, we'll see you guys when we get to the theater. Hopefully in one piece. Yeah. Okay, we've arrived at the theater. Oh, here we go. Wow. It's a bit empty at the theater and the dog park. Here they come. I can put my mask on. Here we go. Off to see the movie. That's a pretty cool poster, I gotta say. I've only ever seen that blue one. Alright, here we go. Oh, sick. Hell yeah. At the movie. We'll see you guys after. We're just waiting for Ethan to come out, but we'll see you after the movie. Okay, we're out of the movie. And He doesn't. Oh my god. Oh god.
All movie was like this as well.
I'm just so happy I didn't have to pee.
I know, I was really like, okay, I know we're probably about halfway through, I can take a drink. Oh crap. Where did we park? Oh god. Oh god.
20 minutes after it started, I was like,
Oh my god, it's so cold.
Yes, we are the ones that went to the theater.
Oh my god! Holy shit! It's so cold! My hands are numb! Dad's car! You can see it is so cold right now. Oh my god. Holy smoke. It's so windy outside. Yeah. My hands are so cold. Oh my god. You see all of our breath? It's negative 15? Probably feels colder than that. Oh my god. Where's my freaking seatbelt? Oh, that's a good video. All of our breaths.
Yeah, see?
That's the center.
I said, who's the crazy ones going to the theater?
Okay.
Okay, I need to
We're gonna head home.
her breath.
Oh, I'm so cold. We made it safely back home. I got my cookie dough here, and I think I'm gonna have to microwave it a little bit, to be honest, because it's kind of hard still. But we'll see. The power has been like flickering a lot, so hopefully it stays on. Well, it's nice time to do this. So it says to get parchment paper. I've never read. And we're supposed to roll it out between the two sheets. Oh yeah. So the Avatar movie though, very good. I won't say much about it, so in case you want to see it, I don't want to spoil it for anyone, but it was really good, very beautiful. And yeah, it was a good time. Highly recommend seeing it. Sorry if this is a little rushed and a bit sporadically chaotic. I'm just trying to do this like quickly in case the power goes out, which I am really worried that it might. So I'm doing my best.
Holly hanging across the door, neighbors singing tales of yore. It's so close, hardly can wait. Waking up on Christmas, children dreaming without a care. 'Tis the season most everywhere, so come home. There's no better place. Waking up on Christmas Day.
I forgot to film myself doing a taste test of the cookies. Tastes pretty good. Kind of like shortbread. This is the first batch that came out. Some of them are like really thick. Really thick. Like this one's really thick. Other ones are a bit thinner. I have another batch in the oven. There we go. Huzzah. I will link this recipe down below. It was super easy to follow. And so far, it's so good. Very straightforward. Ooh, I'll turn this off. Here, I'll do a taste test of this one. What? Can't really tell. It's so soft. I'm gonna feel really sick eating this. I'm gonna get like a stomachache because there's like a whole cup of butter in this. Oh. The boys are giving a cookie and a Nutella a try.
I would definitely.
You could like make a cookie sandwich. Oh, well, that would be good. If they're probably still a little warm, so they might be kind of runny.
That's not a bad thing.
I don't know, I'm just saying.
Yeah.
I didn't say that's a bad thing.
Soft and nice and melted. Wow, that's just a lot of Nutella. Yeah.
It was good. That's really good. Hell yeah. Nailed it. Alright, I've relocated myself to the computer room. I'm thinking, debating really. I really want to play Sims. I want to play like Christmas time Sims. But I don't know if I have a Christmas tree. I don't think I do. But it's like 7:44 right now. I need to shower and didn't really do very Christmassy things today. I just did a lot of baking. I just ran around in the snow. That's pretty festive. But I might end this vlog here. Not a like crazy eventful day because I spent a very good chunk of the day or the afternoon in the movie theater because it was a really long movie. It was like 3.5 hours plus commercials and stuff, so it's probably close to like 4 hours that we were there. So most of the afternoon has been spent there. The rest of the evening honestly is gonna be really chill. I think we're just gonna watch some movies some more. My dad's currently watching Die Hard. I might play a bit of Sims depending if I can get my login going on, or I might honestly edit this vlog because tomorrow is Christmas Eve and tomorrow is going to be a crazy day. So yeah, I think I might just end the vlog here. Sorry it's not been a really eventful vlog. There isn't much else going on this evening and it doesn't seem like, I don't think it'll be very interesting anyways for you to watch. But I mean, you did to see some wild weather which has been interesting. But yeah, I'm gonna end today's vlog here. I'll probably end up editing this vlog and getting it done for tomorrow so I don't have to stress about editing this vlog because I'm gonna already have to edit tomorrow's vlog for Christmas Day. So yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this vlog regardless. I hope you're safe and spending some time with those you care about this weekend. And yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow for Christmas Eve and the final day of Raymas and the last video of 2022. God, it's scary. And yeah, I'm gonna head out now. I'm getting like worse, I think, at doing outros. Not intros. My outros are just getting so much worse. Okay, bye. I'll see you all tomorrow morning. Hopefully the weather's not so bad and I can get the other stuff I need to get done.